Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken fried rice. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 2 cups of 1-day-old rice, 2 chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots, 1/2 cup of diced onion, 2 scallions chopped. I'm only using the green pieces, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, or you can use fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I have 4 tablespoons of canola oil, and you just want to divide it. The very first thing you want to do is season your chicken. So we're going to add in our ground black pepper and also our salt. And you want to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can set it to the side. In a wok over medium-high heat, you want to add in 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and you want to bring that to temperature. You want to scramble your eggs. Now we're going to add our eggs to our wok. You want to cook them for 1 minute. After they're done, you want to remove them from your wok. Now we're going to add 2 more tablespoons of our canola oil. Now we're going to add our chicken in. We're going to cook the chicken for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove your chicken from the wok. Now you want to add in your onion, your garlic, and also your ginger. We're going to saute that for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, add in your frozen peas and carrots and saute for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add in our rice, our eggs, and also our chicken. And you want to mix it until everything is well combined. Well combined, adding your soy sauce, your oyster sauce, and also your sesame oil. Mix until well combined. Okay guys, your chicken fried rice is now done. You can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so now you can add a few scallions over top, or you can actually mix them in. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chicken fried rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet? Thank you for following.